stop me from going to the freaking thrift store. I just can't be stopped. I did just post a thrift haul and I found out that my savers, you can actually exchange things that don't work out. So a lot of these were just exchanges. And then of course I had to check out more things, but I want to try them on with you. I had fall on my mind in the thrift store because I hate to admit it, it's not even September yet, but I've already purchased my first fall candle of the season. So it's fall. I mean, I'm wearing a cardigan right now. Thank you, Taylor Swift. Okay, let me try on some of these things. I have some specific visions in mind, okay? So I got this jean vest because I think it would look really cute in like a sexy Canadian tuxedo kind of way. I like it. I tried this one on at the thrift, so I knew it fit, but I think that's really cute. Oh! What do you think?
Cute!
This reminds me of middle school. It's so funny because I got this at Wet Seal like ages ago for sure. I got a pinstripe one as well from Old Navy, which just fits a little bit bigger in the chest because I have no boobs. I've accepted it at this point. I definitely like the other one more, but this was, I think this was like $5. So I was like, why not experiment with $5? Then, can we tell I'm on a Miley Cyrus Start All Over / Bella Hadid moment vibe thing right now? Because why did I buy 3 of these? And then I haven't tried on any of these things, so we're about to find out at the same time. I think this might be big, but I was picturing like Serena van der Woodsen / Blair Waldorf, New York City vibes. Thought this would be really cool if it works out with like a mini skirt and boots. I could see this working in some universe. Maybe not this one. Obviously ignore the white shirt. I don't know, I'm kind of down to experiment with like a black mini skirt and some boots. Okay, I'm gonna play with this. She will be washed. She was also expensive because she's from BB. She was $11.99. I thought this top was really fun and like flirty. That's pretty. I just really like the color. I think this is cute. Okay. I also got this shirt, originally Banana Republic, but I thought this neckline was really cool. This has potential. I really like the way that this looks. Obviously not with these pants, but this has potential. I keep falling. Yeah, I like this. The last thing that I got is actually from Free People and it still has a tag on it. It was originally $68 and I got it. This was $30. Okay, if I don't love this, I'm exchanging it. What? Why didn't I check the price tag? Why don't I do that? Why do I just assume that everything is like under $10? Like that is expensive. Okay, let me try it on. This is like my style. That's the thing. Like I would wear this with these jeans. I like it. I'd say like out of my recent thrift hauls, this was like the most successful. So I'm gonna cut the tags off and go wash them.
Yeah. Come on. Wow.
So good.
Wait, what's the difference between those?
Mine is just open faced. Oh my god.
Are you happy with it?
These are the best bagels we've had in LA.
What was the name of the place that we went in Manhattan? Essa Bagel? Mm-hmm. These are like really good, but they don't hold a candle to Essa Bagel.
No. I should have gotten it closed. I'm closing it now myself. Look at that. What did I do? I think I accidentally got like a really big one. Something very wrong happened to my bagel.
Very wrong or very right?
I got it like extra large. They have parrots here too.
I think this might have been where fire was. Because look at that.
Oh shit. Yeah. fridge got an upgrade, if you guys know. I've finally added a bunch of photos with my girlfriends on the fridge, so now you guys have something cute to look at. So I always stand right here. It's not a vlog without showing you some fun things that I picked up at the grocery store. This time we went to Erewhon, which is like fancy schmancy, really LA bougie market, and I love it. These are my essentials because I don't go often. Like, these are the things that I get and I'm comfortable paying the prices that they cost because I don't go all the time. I'm trying to make myself feel better. Erewhon haul. I actually picked this up for my sister because she's gonna be spending the next few days with me. And this is her favorite salad. It's like a macrobiotic salad. It's got brown rice, beans, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, kabocha squash. Kabocha squash. This is my favorite salad whenever I go. It's the Asian chicken salad, and it is so... Did I kiss my fingers? Just kiss. Right? Anyway, this has chicken, romaine, cabbage, kale. The sauce is what's amazing, the dressing. And then it has these delicious, like, sesame sticks. I picked up these tofu sticks that are absolutely delicious, and I wanted to get them again because I want to take a photo of the ingredients and try to recreate them because they are phenomenal. I have no excuse for this. The papaya just looked really fresh. So I got that. And then this may or may not be the reason why I go to Erewhon. This is the most amazing, rich, indulgent brownie ever. It is vegan and gluten-free, question mark? Yes, and gluten-free. And it may or may not be $11. It is, it's $11. But I love it, and it tastes rude. It tastes phenomenal. You could like tell me it's not vegan and I would believe you. It's delicious. It is the Butter Barn butter burger. I mean burger brownie. Jeez. Oh, burger. Burger where? Okay. That's it. I went on a run this morning. I did like 3.5 miles, and then my calves started aching. So I ran by the store and I got icy hot. I use this a lot when I did track and field. How do you do this? Because you just like roll it. And I'm like massaging it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. They're gonna be a little more like alcoholic than usual because I don't have many strawberries. You make my heart go boom, boom, boom. Do you have a song stuck in your head? Oh, now I have that one. Is that one from Xenon? Yeah. Xenon Z3. Well, I may have underestimated how many berries I have left. Oh. Should we add blueberries? Ooh, sure. When I made these with my friend the other day, I was like, should we add vodka? And she's like, no. And I was like, yeah, no, right. We should not add vodka. But we'll see how it goes. Blend, blend. Yum. New York's hottest club is Frosé. Wow, that's like exact. Cheers. Cheers. Ooh. It needs vodka. It does need vodka. We should add vodka. Let's add vodka. Thoughts? Good. It's good? Yeah. You only need a little.